Ciao, ciao.
Man. Hola, peeps. We're in Charleston. It's hot.
It's hot.
It's hot.
We're at Fishey Fishey.
Yep.
Hola, peeps.
Hola, peeps.
It's hot here.
I'm melting.
It would do me okay if I melted some. Very warm today.
Yes, extremely warm today.
I haven't been here in a while, and it feels like forever in 5 ages.
I know.
But we're here.
We're here.
Getting ready to go get something to eat.
Go get some lunch, and then Mike's going to try to replace the.
She's making me do all these projects. You know how she is.
Oh.
Project. Work. See how that works? See how that is?
Yeah.
And then we were thinking.
The gauge thingy is what you're going to fix.
Yes. We were thinking. We'll throw it out to you all. Boss. That's at the boss Juanita on Instagram.
Yep.
Wants to paint.
Yes.
Inside here. We're thinking. Go ahead.
I'm thinking of like this.
Panels.
The back. Yeah, that
panel.
Stuff. Eggshell or a sand. A sea sand color, but leave the.
A what color?
Sea sand.
Sea sand.
Or
okay.
Eggshell, just a not beige, but not white.
Gotcha. Or do we just do a regular color, like, you know, we want it
sea green,
seafoam green or something?
Which is a pretty color. Can you see the theme here? We really like beach colors.
You know, maybe it's one of these colors.
No, it would not be one of those colors.
I'm just, maybe it's one of those colors. I don't know. I'm just.
Yeah, I'm the one looking for paint colors. It'll be a pretty color. But we're not sure to do it the neutral color, or do we just go for it and paint it a color that we like. We're just not sure.
Or do we not paint it at all and like the nice wood finish?
Yeah, but the color will make the wood here pop out. Don't start with me, man. Certainly.
So anyway, that's our dilemma.
Here we go. In the left corner.
That's the dinner bell, by the way. That's not the fight bell. That's a dinner bell. Ready for dinner. So anyway, that's what we were thinking. I have no issue with it. I think it'll look good if we paint it. And
just a little, not the entire thing. I like the wood.
Yeah, I think
I just want to lighten it up a little.
Trimmed, I do think it'll lighten it up some.
Yeah, I think the trim will pop out, which will be really nice. Wood. Yeah.
She said it here first.
Sure did.
Anyway, I think we'll go get something to eat.
Okay. And then it'll cool down in here, hopefully. Again, for those of you that do not have air and you are on a marina, bless your soul. I don't know.
Or wherever you're at.
And anchored or something. I don't know.
Bless you.
How you do it. Yeah. I get nauseous and lightheaded and
that's just a normal thing. It's just okay every day.
Lightheadedness is normal for me, yes.
Alrighty.
Off we go.
Let's go chow chow.
Okay, let's go chow chow. Chow.
Ciao. Howdy ho, neighbor. Our fuel gauge does not work, and we replaced the fuel gauge and jumped it off. It works, wiring works, which means we have to replace the sending unit. In my hand is a new sending unit that we purchased, and I'm going to attempt to replace it. I gotta crawl back in the garage we call it the garage, underneath, and tear it all out and replace it, and we'll bring you along and show you what it's like. Hopefully it won't be too difficult.
We interrupt this week's episode for a special announcement. Over to you, Mike.
Thank you, Juanita. How would you like to have a special edition Anchors Away sailing hat? Or Anchors Away sailing hat? If you'd like one, go to our Patreon page, Patreon/Anchors Away Sailing, and join our Patreon page, and you could have one of these hats, or two, or maybe you don't want a hat. Maybe you would rather have a special edition, limited edition Anchors Away Sailing t-shirt while they last. Have different colors, different sizes. They're limited edition. Get yours today by going again to Patreon/Anchors Away Sailing. And we may be seeing you out on the water with one of these or with one of these. Until next time.
Thank you, Mike. Now back to our regularly scheduled episode.
I have to take out those screws right there. Take this panel off, and behind that panel we will reveal the diesel tank. So that's what I'm going to do now. Let's take that off. Hopefully I don't have to take this back one off. Hope you can see everything okay. So that's what I'm going to do now. Wish me luck.
Oh, here he is, trying to get the panel off.
Just call me Gumby.
I'll add some light in there. You can do it. Do you need some help? Okay, I gotta go, peeps. I gotta help him. So he required my help, so I got this out for him.
Ah!
You need
Shining
that
light in my face. All right, there's the diesel tank.
Yep.
So now
He's gotta go
over there where the sending unit's at,
do something up there. Yep.
and yeah,
Take it out and then put the other one in. Sounds
fire
easy.
the other one in.
What's the problem? 10-minute job.
Yeah. Whatever. Okay. Let me see what I need.
Wish him luck, peeps. Alrighty. It's not good when he says, I see a problem. Here's the new one.
It goes on the tank like this. You see the problem yet?
It goes to the bottom of the tank, isn't it supposed to? Oh.
Huh?
Sugars. Sugar, honey. Sweet peas. I see a problem. Well, what's that hole up there? Can we put it through that hole up there?
I don't know.
Oh, you gotta be fudging me. Really?
I'm like, I see a problem. She's like, what?
It sits on the bottom of the tank. I don't see a problem. It doesn't bend. Well, where's that hole go to that's up there? There's a hole up there.
That's in the lazarette.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Well, we'll keep you guys updated.
What did you say about a 10-minute job?
Not that easy. I don't know. Alrighty.
Well.
Come to the conclusion, nothing's easy.
Sell the boat. Sell the boat.
Telling you what, it's getting closer and closer.
So what happened, Juanita?
Mike was able to get it out. No problems. We did good.
Was able to get the new one in there.
Got the new one in. Got it figured out. And guess what?
It stops right here.
Stops right there.
Won't go all the way up.
Even though we ordered the correct one for this boat, and we made sure it was the correct one,
Yes.
it doesn't go all the way down in the tank.
Nope.
So, we put the old one back in,
Now I gotta put the screws back
and now he's going to put the screws back on. So, welcome to our world, peoples. So these screws went back in. At least they all went back in. That's a good part.
Yeah, it was easy to line it up.
Yeah, easy to take out. I just fudge that the other one won't go in. Cannot believe that it didn't fit in the tank. I don't understand. But again, the tank does look a little shoop right there.
You know, it's the right size that it said to order
Yep.
for it. There is a smaller size that would be, I think it's 2 inches shorter, and I guess that's the size that we
The
need.
one we need, so we'll order that one. See if we can get it to work.
Yeah.
Well, at least we know it's easy.
Yeah, it's not been, other than having to be Gumby.
You're doing a great job of that, just to let you know.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And who knows, maybe when we can actually turn the motor on, it'll work now.
Ah, you're so funny.
Gotta have hope somewhere.
This is true.
Should we leave the board off, knowing that we're gonna have to get back in here, or?
I don't know right now.
Okay.
Come on now, my hands are slippery.
You have that look.
I've crawled out of the hole.
Yeah.
You have those days when it just doesn't quite work correctly. We thought we had everything figured out.
Surprise.
Nope.
Surprise.
So now I gotta return that and get the next size smaller.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's what happens. Things could have been worse, right? Anyway, on to the next thing. I'm smiling. I do believe it's time for Monster. It's getting about that time.
Not another time, it's monster time.
Monster time.